Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well today. We are going to look at gold analysis. I posted this analysis also yesterday and the day before, 2 days ago. And we can see that after the price came back from 5,600, tested 4,500 and is bouncing back again. So overall is reacting as we are expecting. We are not going to look at the fundamental perspective too much, only briefly. But what we can see is that from the top to bottom we had a very large correction. It was approximately 21%, 20%, and gold is already bouncing back and already recovered nearly to 50%. Overall, the geopolitical situation and economic backdrop didn't change, so the chances are all that gold may continue to rise further. So this is the movement that we are looking at. It's difficult to anticipate at this moment if gold is going to break the top that corresponds to 5,600. However, if we are going to look at the geopolitical tension, is very high so far. As it was reported earlier today, the US military on Tuesday shot down an Iranian drone that aggressively approached the Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier in the Arabian Sea, and the US military, US military said. So we can see that this is not good at all. It looks like we may have a problem between the US and Iran. Every time that President Trump said that we are not going to attack Iran, he do the opposite, so we have to be careful. Also during the weekend it was a meeting with closed doors on the White House between the US part and the Israelis, so this is another point that we have to be very careful. So these are the old targets that I shared on the chart. I didn't change anything. From a technical perspective, because gold has not a strong technical approach so far, we had a small structure that is already showing that after broke out the price increase, so we are at the top of the level here, 5,080 and 90. It could be possible that price can come down to 5,000 before it moves up again. I don't see any real reason, to be honest, why it can move down, but usually when the price tends to break this type of strong psychological areas like 5,000, the chances are high that it can be tested again before we see the next bullish movement. However, also a movement from the market price can happen, I wouldn't be surprised. And if we are going to have the news soon that the US is going to attack Iran, the chances are that it can go up to this level. But the reason that I wrote this is because we had the forecast from JP Morgan that I found yesterday. They are expecting gold to reach 6,300. So as long as we have an idea, why not to look at also for this target. So this is the movement that can happen, the big movement. However, so far, I think that for the moment the price has to reach the top of the structure. So this is very important. The breakout from this area will definitely confirm a bullish continuation movement. Given that JP Morgan is really huge and everyone raised their comments, I think that it can also help as a magnet in this area that the price may rise further. So it could be possible because also the big institutions are focused on their comments. So let's see what is going to happen. This is overall. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.